How to create vector lines. Select the Zoom tool on the left panel. Left-click on the image to magnify it 200%. Select the Magic Wand tool on the left panel. Left-click on a black shape with the Magic Wand tool to select all. Select the Marquee tool on the left panel. Right-click on a black shape and select Make Work Path. In the Make Work Path box, keep the tolerance to 1.0 pixels. Select OK to exit. Select the Path Selection tool. Right-click on a black object and select Create Vector Mask.